The mommy juice. They look nice. That's the mommy.
Take it. Yeah, asking me tired, I dead, me I dead.
You're not dead.
Me I dead, I dead, me I dead. I can kill Shana, that's I kill me, I not even know that. Let me pull it here. So you say I got a river?
Yeah.
Where the police be, man?
The police put him. Pow! I mean, yeah.
You hear the gunshot then?
Mm-hmm.
When?
Today, they open the yard. When me as I'm a real cop.
Hmm.
And I'm good dude, I'm seat.
Hmm.
I'm see the man dead.
I see my police kill a man on the road.
Yeah.
Oh, the police fire shot.
Go so, pow! And I'm a mother too.
Where your mother do?
My mother said she gonna come for me at the police power.
Police for your mother?
Yeah, and she go a doctor.
Hmm.
I call her.
Me call your mother?
Yeah, go call her up a doctor.
Me go carry your mother go a doctor?
Yeah,
For what?
cause my mother feel sick.
But I tell her something, you see, but I go left it alone.
Allah!
I go hear so me say, so I go left him alone.
Yes, sir!
Next thing I go hear say,
Yes, sir!
you see, Shana, this I can tell the people, I can tell like for me, I could feel like it's true. Tell the people what your mother do.
Daddy,
Tell them what your mother do.
my mother dead.
Mas tinggi bak ni.